Caviar, known for its custom luxury devices, is back with another customized device. We are talking about the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Tri-Folding Smartphone, which was unveiled earlier this month in China in black and red colors and has a base price of 19,999 Chinese yuan. Caviar's customized Huawei Mate XT Ultimate is part of its rich colors collection and has two versions, Black Dragon and Gold Dragon. The Black Dragon model is inspired by the Xuanlong Dragon from Chinese mythology and is wrapped in black crocodile leather, resembling the scales of the Xuanlong Dragon. It's also accented with gold-plated details. The Gold Dragon model, on the other hand, is entirely covered with 24K gold, with the surface sporting a texture of imperial swords crafted in the Chinese city Longquan, a place where the Chinese art of multi-layer sword forging originated. Caviar says it will make 88 units of both versions since 88 is considered a lucky number in Chinese culture. Both models come in 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB storage options. The Black Dragon version costs $12,770, while the Gold Dragon model is priced at $14,500. The standard Mate XT Ultimate, launched by Huawei, is currently China exclusive, with an international launch slated for Q1 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.